Hey guys, Rob here with Mountain Bike Trail Preview. Today I am trying out the brand new Giant 29er full suspension, the Anthem. We're going to give it a go and see how we like it. This is the aluminum frame, which is pretty freaking light for an aluminum bike. I think it's like 25 pounds. So we're going to give it a go. The front and back fully lock out, which is kind of nice. We got a bunch of people on bikes over there. This is actually a bike I'm looking at getting. Left my funny shorts on over my bike shorts. That's okay. It's got a nice wide bar. That's good for climbing. This bike has the 1x12. Shifting is good, crisp. There you go. Good view of the water. Up ahead we have the Coast Guard station. You can see they're working on the lighthouse way out there. Maybe it might be too small in the video. So now we're going to go uphill here. This is the Y in Grand Haven. Looks like someone took a field trip to the Imagination Station. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have my tennis buddies up here. See all our tennis friends over there getting their tennis game on. All right, like I said, in Michigan we don't have big hills, so we got to work with what we have. This is called Water Tower Hill, and with the recent storms we've had, you can see a lot of debris. Hope I can get up to the top. So my initial thoughts on climbing so far, not bad. I still have it fully locked out. Oh yeah, you can see all the damage that was done through here. Big trees were down, covering the road. Don't look out for me, I'll look out for you. Watch your footing. Still climbing. It's a pretty steep section back there. I believe I just looked back and I still have 3 gears that I could use if it got tougher. Made it to the top. If you look out that way, that is Lake Michigan. So this is really what we have to work with here in the state. Now, I'm gonna put the suspension on. We're gonna be careful the first time down because I don't know if this path has been cleared, and I want to avoid sticks because this is not my bike yet. See that? We do have soft sand, so keep my weight back, float through the beach sand here. That actually went really nice through there. Oh wow, that tree is wrecked. So we're going through the soft sand, trying to manage. Bike feels really good actually, over all the bumps. Feels amazing. Wow, really amazing. Right over those roots like nothing. We're gonna put the shocks back on lockdown and see how this baby climbs through this stuff. Got the road glasses on. It's really dark in here with them. I'm liking the abilities. You can see the runner had his shades up too. Oh, got a nice root section here. We're still going up. This is what we just came down. Wow, look at the carnage. Trees down everywhere. I think they said 105 mile an hour winds. I think I still have 3 gears left. Which is good. Trying to make it uphill in soft sand. Gets a little tough. The beach sand workout. There's the water. Sorry the GoPro died and it's gonna die again, but I think I liked on that particular descent, I liked the back shock halfway locked, halfway squish. So that was nice. So again, everyone's at the beach. It's a nice day, almost 80 already. And so this is what else we do. We've got this big hill called 5 Mile Hill that we go up, and I'm gonna test the bike up this hill and then take it back to the shop. Good suspension. And the wider handlebars definitely help you up the hill. It was good. Camera's still on. There you go. There's the lake ahead. Now we go down. We don't want to crash the bike shop's bike. That wouldn't be good. And even fully locked out, I think you get a little bit of cush, which is nice. I gotta get you a bike so you can just do the workout with me. It's a good route, isn't it? My guess is maybe 20 miles an hour. I don't have my Garmin on this bike, it's in my pocket. And I don't want to pull it out and drop it. I'm glad the GoPro decided it could work a little longer. I like this bike. My favorite part of the ride. Whip through town, 25-30 miles an hour. Catch up to cars because the speed limit's only 25. On a mountain bike. Get it nice and low. I'm not sure why the GoPro shut off because it still says it has half battery left. So that's kind of disappointing. It missed the second downhill when I had the rear shock half locked. You know, this bike's just a little too big for me. It's a large. I roll mediums. Like I said before, the seat is tilted up just a little bit. I like the front tilted down just a little more than it is, and the handlebars are a little high, so I'd want to drop this down, spin the neck around maybe first and see where that brings them. But yeah, this bike is sweet. How you guys doing? Good. All right, I'll give you one last look at the other side. There it is, right there.